Alright, so good afternoon everyone. My name is Yap Jing Heng, you can call me Danny. I'm a student from Asia Pacific University, Malaysia. So today I would like to present my project, which is me and my other teammate who make a video games which is called FiresOut. A chaotic cooperative firefighting game that is similar to Overcooked and Moving Out. But instead you are cooking the foods, you are firefighting. So, you will play as the two very adorable animal characters. It's just interns, and you will dive to the inside the house that a lot of fires. And what you need to do is to rescue the victims inside the houses and survive in the chaos of the from the fire monsters. So this is how the game looks like. This is a trailer of our games. So you see that these are our two characters we are allowed to playable right now. And this is our fire extinguisher, which is a fish on the toilet bowl. What you need to do is you need to communicate with your friend, with your partner, everyone any person that you play with, and teamwork together to solve the issue in the house and save the victims. And these are the victims. What you need to do is just carry it out and then save them, put it back to the safe zone that it counts as a safe. But be careful that probably some action will cause your teammate die in the levels. So this is the actual gameplay of the games. It's a top-down view. So these are our games, FiresOut. So what is the unique selling point of our games? So our game is a very fast-paced game that you need to react quickly when any things that happen in the scene. You need to react and you need to communicate with your friends that we need to do this now, we need to do that. And this game is very simple to learn, as because we designed this game, we want to let the person that have family or have friends, they want to enjoy some game playing together. So we need to make it simple to learn and play, especially for a person that never touched game before. Also, the game provides a cooperative experience, which is you can play 1 to 4 players together, and we have a lot of goofy and humor animation and character inside the games, so that can make the family, children laugh a lot. This is the entire core loop of the games. You start out with the level first. You and your friend communicate to each other, bring the fire extinguisher into the house, and then overcome all the environment challenge in the games. And you will see that there's a fire around that will blocking your pathway, so you just use the extinguisher to extinguish the fire. And then also, after that, you need to look for the victims and save them. When all the victims are safe in the levels, then the game is win. So a little bit breakdown story about the game. These two characters is our firefighter interns. You play as these two characters. When you just graduated, you found that there's a fire monster started to attack the neighborhoods. And then you need to find out reasons. So you save the victims and found that there's something hiding behind the world. So we started to travel around the world, found out that there's more things behind it. So you found the entire story at the end of the world. Where have we tested our games? So basically we have done a lot play testing and a lot of competitions. So these 3 are the example that we participate this year. So for the first one is the DICE, which is 3 months ago. We won the first place as a student category. Also for the Level Up KL 2025, we participate as a student project awards. And at the end, we win the best student awards. Also, we are surprisingly we have become the nominees of the Audio Choice Awards also. And also for the GB Game Producer, we are also the top 10 finalists in the competitions. We also done our tournament also. We do like player will play together to competitive with the timing. Whoever who played the fastest to win the game, they will win the prize pool. So huge shout out to all the playtesters that play our games, that if they help us a lot. These 3 are our target audience. For the first one, we have Ivan, who is a kid who would like to play multiplayer games online with his friend after the schools. So we were targeting on that because they really like online multiplayer games. And also for Sarah, Sarah is a person that really like to socialize with any others. So like they're using Instagram or Discord. And for Adam, which is a bit special, he's a person that already have work and have family. He likes to spend time at night with his family to play some card games or board games or any other games that we can build up the relationship with his family. So this game is not fully done yet. It will be releasing on next year December. So we have a lot of upcoming features right now. We're still developing the games. So example like new game mechanics, types of fires like hazard fires, or some new world mechanics. Right now you see it's a neighborhood. Probably in the next future we have an ice world. We go to alien spaceships. So different kind of things in the new stuff in the future. Also some playable level sections, and the most importantly, I think children will like it, is the more characters choices in the game and the customizations. Also, for person that would like to challenge themselves in the game, we will have a night map mode for them. This mode is a bit more difficult than the normal modes. They would like to challenge themselves in the games. So this is our team. We total have 7 people inside it, which is we have 2 programmers, 2 3D artists, and 2 game designers. And we have 1 business developer person that help us to marketing our games. So this our studio is called Dreamer Studio. And also we have advisor from our school and from some person that we know. Business advisors, game development advisors, and artists and creative advisor from the school. How about the marketing opportunities? So we found we do a little bit research on the marketing side. On 2023, we found out that there's only 6% of the game that released on that year that is cooperative, which is cooperative games. But we found out that the unique sold of it is like 36%, which is like the ratio is bigger than the actual release. And also we found out that most of the co-op games compared to a normal game, their lifetime unique sales is always more than it. How about the development process of the game? So we have pre-productions and productions. After that, we go to testing, test our game, and go to the iterations. The pre-productions, we start out with the research first. We research from what is co-op games, how does it make it unique, and how does it make it fun. Also, we do the concept. We write down all the ideas we have in our mind, in documentations, and we do the competitive analysis. So you will see these 3 are the games that are similar to ours. So we will research on why they are so nice, why they are so good on their games. Then we do our game design documentations and using the waterfall project management. In the development process, we have the most important 4 roles, which is programming, art design, and also level design and audio and VFX. So you can see these 3 are the example of the pictures when we're developing the games. This is how it looks like, the art asset. This is the programming side, how does the things work, and these are actual products. On the technical and artistic advancement, so basically we have done a lot of research and testing and reviews. At the end, we found that we can say that we define a new genre called chaotic cooperative. What does it mean is that it combined by teamwork, communication, and game design that is focusing on players to player mistakes. Also, we have designed a robust and dynamic sound system in our game. So we are using a software called Unity. So this Unity, it provides us to do the sound effect in the game, but it's not the suitable one for us, so we design ourselves. Then we have dialogue system. Of course, we have NPC, we have character, they will talk. We need to have a dialogue system in it, so we design ourselves. And as this game is more family friendly to children and any person that likes, so we need to keep our colors more like brightful and humorous, playful tones. So we found that bright colors and plus roundish colors can maintain that. So, and one of the most important thing is the fire. When you see fire will spread around the houses. So the thing is very complex, but we need to keep it modular and simple. So we design our own fire systems, and a lot of things that need to have a set that need to have fire systems. We have our prefabbing tools that will help us to do it quickly. So this is our games, FiresOut 1 to 4 players online multiplayer games, and that's all of the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We are moving into the question and answer session. Next.